Hi everyone. Good evening, guys. Everyone, audio, video, both are clear, all of you? Somebody just confirm. Audio and video both are clear, right, everyone? Right. So, all of you, welcome to Unacademy. Let's crack it, right? Everyone is ready to crack, all of you. Get ready to crack, all of you. Get ready to crack, guys. Right. So whenever you are subscribing for the Plus and Iconic courses, don't forget to use the referral code RP Civil Live, right? What is the referral code you have to use? RP Civil Live is the referral code you have to use. And whenever any of your friends are also subscribing, ask them to use the same referral code RP Civil Live, okay? Right. Then only you will be getting this 10% discount, right? Right. Yeah, Anjanelu, good evening. So now coming to this GATE and ESE. So this is my profile. You can follow me at which, right? Lakshmi, good evening. Right. So this is my profile. You can follow me at which, and this is the referral code you have to use always. RP Civil Live. And these are the subjects I'll be taking in Unacademy Plus platform generally. And coming to this, there is a special prize going on. Don't miss this opportunity, right? From April 1st onwards, these Unacademy subscription prices are going to be increased. Before these prices are getting increased, all of you, right? I'm repeating, before these prices are getting increased, subscribe to the Plus and Iconic courses ASAP. Because compared to this hiked price, at present up to this March 31st, you will be having this 10% lesser price, and there is a special price for the 10% lesser, and using the referral code RP Civil Live, right? What is the referral code you have to use? RP Civil Live, right? Lena, good evening. RP Civil Live referral code if you use, this is the price you are getting, and a total 26% almost on the full amount you will be saving, right? So don't miss this, all of you, right? Inform to your friends, everyone, so that they will be subscribing to the Plus and Iconic courses, right? Ask them to use the referral code RP Civil Live, okay? For Iconic, for Plus subscription also it is the same thing, right? For Plus subscription also it will be the same thing you are having, right? For Plus subscription also you'll be having the same thing if you just observe, okay? Don't miss this. Now next, what is that? Unacademy has introduced which one? This notes, right? Those who are taking this Plus and Iconic subscription, they'll be getting the notes, right? Notes is introduced by this Unacademy Plus and Iconic subscription, right? So there is one more subscription called as your Unacademy Lite subscription, right? What is this Unacademy Lite subscription? You can say you can subscribe only to the test series, right? You can subscribe only to which one? This is a test series, right? Nothing else, right? Those who are, if you are confident that you are very comfortable with the theoretical part, concepts and everything, you know, but only little bit practice is required, then you can go for that Unacademy Lite subscription, right? But if you do not know anything and you want guidance from the starting basics to this full conditions, then you can go for which one? This Iconic subscription, okay? So these are the new batches starting March 30th, right? Droppers batch for this GATE 2023 will be starting. So Jaspal sir will be starting with which one? Orientation session at 4 p.m. today, right? Don't miss this. When anybody is subscribing for the Plus and Iconic courses, use the referral code RPCV Live. No, AEW level you have to select that APPSC, TSPSC, okay? Right. Yeah, this is going to happen, right? Price hike from April 1st onwards, that price hike is going to happen, right? Yeah, God, good evening. April 1st onwards, which one is going to happen? That price hike is going to happen, right? Price hike is going to happen. So these are the before increment and these are the prices after increment, right? These are the prices before increment and these are the prices of Iconic after the increment, right? Diksha, good evening. So these are our GATE toppers, right? If we just observe, these are our which one? This GATE toppers, right? Sorry, ESC 2021 civil toppers. ESC 2021 civil toppers, you can say, right? This GATE, these are the GATE 2022 toppers, okay? So now coming to our discussion, right? Which part we are discussing? We just remember, all of you. Which part we are discussing, all of you? That linear measurements only we are discussing, na? Is those linear measurements only we were discussing. So in the last class, what we have discussed? So these 89 questions we have discussed now, and now today onwards, You are not formula revision. It is not the formula revision, right? Formula revision is already doing engineering tracking. For that highway engineering, that formula revision was done. And this is which one? State PSC PYQ series is going on, right? We just look at the title of this video. All state PSC PYQs, right? This is different series, right? All state PSC PYQs, okay? Right. So now coming to this YouTube live class, right? RCC I did not do formula revision, only for highway I have done formula revision. Okay, Naveen, good evening. Yeah, yes, Naveen, I am forgetting every time. Don't worry, I will be sending it. So this is your part 10, 30th, right? Surveying all state PSC PYQs. Okay, right. After surveying state PYQs gets over, engineering tracking will go for that. Okay, don't worry. All state PSC PYQs gets over for all subjects, then we'll go for the formula revisions again. Okay, don't worry. But first let us complete this series. So chapter 2, linear measurements. In this linear measurements, what we are discussing? Various instruments we are discussing now. So now select the answer for this. Question number 90. What is your answer? Yeah, engineering tracking. मुझे हिंदी फ्लुएंट नहीं आता है, थोड़ा थोड़ा आता है, इसीलिए मैं इंग्लिश क्लासेस कर रहा है अनअकैडमी में. इवन अनअकैडमी ऐप में भी इंग्लिश क्लासेस कर रहा है मैं, उसीलिए हिंदी, माय हिंदी इज नॉट दैट मच गुड. Write the question number and answer. Write question number and answer, all of you. Diksha, Leena said C. And any other answer by others? And any other answer by others? Anyone? C? 90 ml? Okay. Yeah, Leena's favorite 90 ml. So what is it? The adjustable cross staff is used for setting out an offset off, right? Whenever it is an adjustable cross staff, right? Generally cross staff means, no, regular cross staff, right? Whenever it is your regular cross staff, what is it? Whenever it is your regular cross staff, that angles are set at which one? This is 90 degrees, na? 90 degrees, right? Whenever it is mentioned as your adjustable, right? What is the meaning of this adjustable? What is the meaning of this adjustable? Those are your angle adjustable, right? Which angle, right? Why there is an adjustment required? Because you wanted to measure other than 90 degrees, then it is required now. Other than 90 degrees, then it is required, right? Like that. Is it clear? Any desired angle, right? We can adjust the angles and we can get which one, right? So at any angle of degree we can measure. Is it clear? So yes, adjustable means it can move. Why it has to move? Only when you want other angles to be noted or to be set, this is required, na? Yes, absolutely, right? Yeah, it can be rotated with any angle, right? But regular cross staff, simply cross staff is mentioned, that is fixed type of cross staff, na? 90 degrees you will be having only, right? So now shall I move to the next question? Select the answer for this. Yes, Yasin, you will get first chapter I will be sharing, right? Last week only I am supposed to share actually. Last Saturday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Last Friday only I am supposed to share, but I forgot. So don't worry, I will be sharing it, right? I will be sharing it, don't worry. See, Anjaneyulu, simply cross staff meaning what? What is the meaning of simple cross staff? It is just set to 90 degrees only, right? It is just set to 90 degrees only, right? And adjustable cross staff means? Adjustable cross staff means, right? What is the meaning of this adjustable cross staff? You can say adjustable cross staff means, right? Adjustable cross staff means we can adjust the angles so that we can measure any value of angle, right? Anjaneyulu, is it clear? Right? You did not understand the question. The position of a point can be fixed more accurately by, you understand, which of the following instrument is used for setting out a point more accurately? Okay, setting out a point more accurately, right? You answer for this 91 question. Yeah, any other answer? Leena said A, Diksha said C, and any other answer? Yeah, any direction rotation it is possible. Yes, Anjanelu. When you are adjusting this now, actually what you are having in this manner, right? Generally, what is that you are having? Two cross type. This one is there now, but this can be 90-degree only. But in case of adjustable, this angle can be adjusted, right? This angle can be adjusted. That is what you can say. Okay, right? Anyone? Any other answer? Naveen A, Anjanelu A, Varish A. Any other answer? Right. The position of a point can be fixed more accurately by same. The position of a point can be fixed more accurately by, right? Arunachal Pradesh and Punjab PSC and RPS, right? The question, both questions are same only. Now here what is that you can say? See, if you just observe, to fix the position of a point more accurately, which one we are using? All of you observe carefully. To fix Yes, Varish, you just check in my blog, you can find this playlist, right? Or you can just click in that, right? Varish, in the video, in the name of the video, title of this video, hashtag all state PSC PYQs is there, na? Just click on that hashtag all state PSC PYQs, then you will be getting all lessons of this series, okay? Don't worry, Varish, you will get all lessons of that when you click on that, check in the title. So, to fix the position, right? To fix a position of a point, to fix the position of a point more accurate, which one is used? Which one is used? Perpendicular offset we are using, right? What is it we are using? Perpendicular offset we are using, right? And to which one? To set out, right? To set the offset, right? To set offset. To set offset, which one are used? That a prism square is used. To set the offset, that a prism square is used. And also which one is used? Optical square, right? Prism square or this optical square we are using, right? So what is that you can say? What is that you can say? The position of a point can be fixed, right? What is the meaning of, what is the difference between these two if you just observe? What is the difference between these two if you just observe? The difference between these two is what? Fixing the point, fixing the position of a point accurate is different, and setting out of offset is different, right? Like that. Is that clear, everyone? So here, if you just observe carefully, what is the purpose of this offset? If you just observe this prism square and optical square, what they are used for? Suppose if you are having, this is your main baseline. Suppose if you are having a banyan tree here, or let us say this is a building corner here, right? That is a building corner you are having here. Then what happens? If you wanted to construct a setback or offset here, right? Offset construction, right? Setting out the offset, right? Setting out the offset, we are using this optical square and this prism square, right? For an object. So for representing the object with respect to this baseline, okay? Now, but what is the question? It is the point on which one? It is the the position of a point can be fixed more accurately by. Here, is there anything you are doing? Is there anywhere we are fixing the position of a point? No, no. Using this offset, right? Using this offset exactly at which one? This 50-meter distance, let us say, we are just locating one point C, like that. Exactly at this place, let us say with 100 meters, you will be locating which one? This is a point D, like that. So, which one we are using? Tell me. Using that optical square and the prism square instrument, we are locating the point, or we are just setting the offset? Using the optical square or this prism square instrument, we are just setting out that offset line. That's it. We are not identifying any point. But after identifying, right, if you know this perpendicular offset, na, if you know this perpendicular offset na, from the perpendicular offset value only, we can get the point location, fixed point location. From this perpendicular offset value at this particular location 90 degree at 50 meter, this point C is there. So means at this place, what is that? This is at 100 meters from this perpendicular distance. This D point is there, right? Is that clear, everyone? To fix the point, right? To fix the point, that offset distance is required. Okay, perpendicular offset distance is required. Okay, distance is required, right? If you know the distance, we can set out. Is that clear, everyone? The question, all of you, this question 91 question, is that clear, everyone? Is it clear, all of you? If you know the offset value, then only we can locate which one, right? Then only we can locate the point accurately. Is not clear, everyone? Everyone clear? 92 also same na. 91 and 92 both are same only na. Yeah, both must be clear then. Okay, see, I'm repeating again. This optical square or prism square are used for creating that line, right? Creating that line, right? Creating that line, right? Creating that line. Optical square or prism square are used for creating that offset line, but using that offset line only we can locate the point exactly, right? Yeah, oblique offsets, right? Why oblique offsets are not that much accurate, right? Do you give guarantee that these angles can be measured exactly? Suppose if it is 19 degrees, Yasin, if it is 19 degrees, can you give guarantee that these angles are measured perfectly? This is also having the length, right? But where more possibility of mistake is there and where more less possibility of mistake is there, Yasin? In case of perpendicular, that crossed off instrument we are using means there is no chance of error. But for this oblique offset, crossed off we are not using. Some other instrument we have to use, and we don't give guarantee that, right? And we don't give guarantee that, right? And we don't give guarantee that the angle will be measured accurately. Is that clear? 90 degree can be measured accurately, right? Suppose if it is 19.12 degree, is it possible to measure accurately? No, but 90 degree is only exactly possible to measure accurately. Yes, na? Right. Now select the answer for this. Yes, it is related, but Anjanelu, cross staff, using that cross staff we cannot set the point. Okay, using that cross staff, what we are doing? Using the cross staff, what we are doing? We can draw that offset line. The question is regarding that drawing offset line or getting the location of a point. Anjanelu, the question is regarding getting the location of a point, right? How can you get the location of a point if offset distance is already known to us? Is that clear? You have to be careful, Anjanelu. Lina said B and Diksha said D. Which one? You have to be careful. You have to be careful, right? Varish said A. Write the question number and answer. Okay, write the question number and answer. That would be better. Done, everyone? It is which one? Optical square is based on what? Double refraction, reflection, double reflection, right? It is based on which one? This is a double reflection, right? Double reflection. It is not refraction, right? What is a no? Yeah, C is what? C is what? A reflection only, but it is a double reflection you have to have. What is the meaning of this double reflection? Two mirrors you are having na? How many mirrors you are having? Two mirrors you are having, or not? Yes, two mirrors. So of image reflected on two mirrors na? Image reflects with respect to this two mirrors. So which one it is? Double reflection is the correct answer. Okay, like that. So now choose the correct answer here. Okay. No one said C. Yeah. Select the answer for this question. Ninety-fourth question. Select the answer, everyone. (94D) Manoj, and any other answer? (94C). Don't get deceived by these names, okay? (94C). Diksha also said 94C. Any other answer by others? Vikas said D. Naveen said C. Okay. Right. So here actually EDM, right? EDM is generally used for measuring which one? 94A Yashin. Okay. Right. Generally, what is the purpose of this EDM? EDM is used for which one? This long distances only, no? Generally used for measuring the long distances only or not? Yes, long distances only, right? For measuring these long distances, right? That is EDM, right? So which one? D is matching to which one? This 2, right? D2, how many options are there? Option A can be eliminated and option B can be eliminated, right? Like that. Now standardized tapes, right? What is the purpose of this standardized tapes if you just observe? Standardized tapes means that these tapes are used for which one? Used for measuring 80-meter long base. Is there any specification that it will measure only 80 meters? Diksha Island to Sir's home. Yes, correct. Now tell me, it is used, right? Is it used for 80 meters only? No, no. It is not used for this 80 meters, na? It is not used for this 80 meters if you just observe, right? Yes, na? But which one is used for 80 meters especially? That Hunter's short base is used for measuring 80-meter base, right? 80-meter length base, right? That Hunter's short baseline we are using, right? Hunter's short baseline we are using for measuring which one? For measuring this 80-meter length of the baseline. You have to be careful, okay? So that is B is matching to which one? This 3, right? And tachyometric base, it is for which one? Undulating a ground for small bases, na? Tachyometric base, right? What is the tachyometric base? Whenever you are using this tachyometric conditions, do you remember that? Tachyometer, right? We will be measuring here, na? One instrument we are taking, one tachyometer we are placing here, another tachyometer we are placing here, and what is that you are doing? This is short base or a reference line we are knowing, na? We know this is short reference line or baseline or not on this undulated ground. For the small bases, this first tachyometer to this second tachyometer, that baseline we are using. Is it clear? First tachyometer to this second tachyometer, that baseline we are using. Okay, that is one. And tapes are mainly for which one? Short base in plain ground. Okay, these are for short distances only, but we don't know how much short, right? 10 meter, 20 meter, 30 meter, because the tapes are available in 10, 20, 30 meters only, na? Like that. So what is the matching? Option D will be matching with that. Option D will be the matching with the, right? Now, is that clear, everyone? Right? So select the answer here for this. Select the answer here, everyone. Lina C, Manoj C, Vivek B. Any other answer, brothers? Cross staff and optical square are used to measure which one? This is perpendicular. Used to measure which one? Right angle only, no? These are just used to measure this right angle only, no? Perpendicular distance between the two lines. No, 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 no. How it can be C? No. No, it cannot be C, right? Using that cross staff, right? Let us say this is your right. Let us say this is your baseline, right? Let us say this is your building. What it can do? Whenever you are placing the cross staff here, right? Whenever you are just placing the cross staff here, what happens? Whenever you are just placing the cross staff here, whenever you are just placing the cross staff here, what happen? It will just measure whether it is 90 degree or not. Is there any distance used? That optical square and cross staff, they will be measuring the distance, or they will be just measuring the angle only? They will be just measuring the angle only. Distance you can measure by which one? Distance you can measure by which one? Yeah, distance it is measured by which one? Tape or a chain only, no? Using that chain or tape only, this distance you can measure, isn't it? So 90 degree angle is what? That a 90 degree angle is measured by this cross staff. Okay. For after setting this 90 degree by moving your cross staff here and there, 90 degree angle we have identified to the corner of this building. And how can you measure the distance? You can say we have to use this tape or chain for distance measurement. Tape or chain we have to use for this distance measurement, right? Like that is a clear. Oh, so C is correct or C is wrong? Absolutely. C is absolutely wrong, you can say like that, isn't it? So with this, the first topic got over, right? What is that first topic of the second chapter? Various instruments, right? Various instruments in this linear measurements got over, right? Second chapter, first topic got over. Now we are entering into the 2.2. Next one, basics and measurements. Okay, errors and corrections we'll see in the third one. Okay, this is chapter 2, second topic, right? 2.2 topic we'll see. Okay, now select the answer here, everyone. Select the answer for this 96th question of you. Vivek said C. And any other answer by others? Manoj said D and Diksha said D. Isosceles triangle, right? You have to observe, right? You have to observe, Diksha, it is isosceles triangle, right? Isosceles triangle means what is it? It is isosceles triangle, you observe, right? Whenever it is an isosceles triangle, what is the value will come? 60 will come. Anyone? In a triangulation, the best shape of the triangle is isosceles, right? Isosceles triangle with this base angle equal to, right? Isosceles triangle, right? Two angles and two sides are equal, right? When two angles are two sides are equal, third one need not be na. When two angles two sides are equal, what is it? Is it not that 56 one? Is it 60 degree or it is 56 one? 90 mm. Okay. It is which one? This 56 degree 14 minutes only, no? Yes, it is 56 degree 14 minutes only, you can say, right? Like that, isn't it? Two sides must be same. This two sides must be same with the same opposite angles, right? This angle A, let us say this angle is your B, let us say, and this angle is your C, right? So this is your which one? Opposite to this side A, opposite to this side B, opposite to this side C, right? What is that given? If you just observe, side A is equal to that side B, and angle A is equal to this angle B, right? Angle A is equal to this angle B, you can say it like that, isn't it? Yes, not? So which one could be the answer? The best value will be this 56 degree 14 minutes, right? Why it is 56 degree 14 minutes? Where is the WL? Where is the WL? WL is not there, na? Where is WL? Okay. In a triangular, The best shape of the triangle is isosceles triangle with base angle is equal to, right? Which one? So this opposite side, right? Base angle means opposite side angle. What is that you can say? Obviously. So this is 56.14 degrees. When you are taking, you will be getting that best isosceles triangle. Two sides will be becoming equal and well conditioned triangle, right? What is the meaning of this well conditioned triangle? Should not be, it is no angle is lesser than 30 and no angle is greater than 120, right? No angle is lesser than 30 and no angle is greater than 120 if you just observe. Is it clear? Yes, not? Right. Select the answer, 97th one. Yeah, here how it is, if you just observe. So best describing of which one? This isosceles triangle, right? Best describing of which one? This isosceles triangle, if you just observe, right? What is the best describing of this isosceles triangle? Two sides of equal length and two sides of an isosceles triangle, right? Yeah. Okay, I'll go to that. I'll come to that. Don't worry, after solving this. Don't worry. 1 second. Right, what is this? Well conditioned triangles are because which one? What is the well conditioned triangle? What it will create? They cause less survey work rate. Well conditioned triangle is what is that well conditioned triangle? No angle should not be lesser than 30 degree and angle should not be greater than 120 degree, right? Angle should not be lesser than 30 degree and angle should not be greater than which one? This is 120 degree, you can say, right? So what they will cause, if you just observe, they will cause less survey work preferred. Their apex are sharp and can be located easily, right? They give good pictures on the drawing sheet, none of the above, right? Which one? Well conditioned triangles are used because they cause less survey work. Is it because of this surveying work involved is lesser, or it is because they can be located easily? It is because they can be located easily, right? It is because they can be located easily, right? Here well conditioned triangle is regarding the location of this point, right? It is not regarding which one? It is regarding the location of this point. It is not regarding which one? It is not regarding this survey work. Okay, it is not regarding this less survey work, right? It is just for accuracy, right? It is just for accuracy, so that easily you can locate and there should not be any errors, right? Error free and accurate one, right? Error free and accurate one we should have. Okay, that is what, right? That is what you are having. Okay, if you just observe, right? Now next one, this 98th one, tell me. I'll come to that later, don't worry. So in tomorrow's class, I'll explain that isosceles triangle because that will take some little bit, some 5 minutes, 10 minutes time it will take, because that much time is not available for us. I'll be showing that in tomorrow's class. Okay, that isosceles triangle wala, I'll be showing it in tomorrow's class. Okay, don't worry. We'll just stop with this only for today. Yeah, Vinod, Manoj said yeah. And any other answer by others for this 98th question? 98th question, yeah. So that isosceles triangle story I'll explain in tomorrow's class. Okay, don't worry. See, just click on this, right? There is a blue color banner pinned by Unacademy, Accord, GATE and ESE. That is there. Click on that. You will follow my profile. Just check in my community, right? Now after the class itself I'll be sharing it. Don't worry. After the class itself I'll be sharing it. Yeah. Lina also said yeah. Anjaneli said yeah. Yeah. In a chain surveying work, the line joining the stations for taking offsets from it is known as. For taking the offset, it is a tie line only, no? For taking the offset, it is tie line only or not? Baseline is which one? This is a major line, right? This is your baseline, right? This is your baseline AB, you can say, right? This is your baseline AB, right? What is the D? D is the baseline. D is baseline what? Yeah, I'll send PDF. I'll send PDF Naveen today. Don't worry. After the class, immediately after the class, I'll send it. Okay, don't worry. This is your baseline AB, right? This is your which one? This baseline AB, right? But what is that? In chain surveying work, the line joining the stations for taking offsets from it, right? Is this baseline mainly for taking the offsets only? Is this baseline mainly for taking the offsets only? Is it so? So this is your baseline and these are the surveying lines we are having. If you just observe, main surveying lines you can have. That is your A, B, let us say, and this is your C, and this is your D, and this is your E, right? Now, if you are just observing some pond is at some pond is at, what is that you are using? So this is which one, right? If you just observe, we will be connecting one at station on this boundary line and one station on this baseline. And what is that happening? From this line we will be taking the offset, right? From this line we will be making the offset, right? This is your tie line. From this tie line we will be taking this offset, right? From this tie line we will be taking this offset, right? Yes, now what is the purpose of this baseline? Baseline purpose is to cover the entire portion. It is not only for taking the offsets, right? But tie line is mainly for taking the offsets, right? Vivek, is it clear? Tie line is mainly for taking the offsets, but baseline you can take offsets, you can which one, to cover the entire survey area and to get the details nearby, right? But tie line is only for getting the details nearby. Yes, na? Like that. Is it clear? So baseline is not only for taking the offsets, right? From this baseline you need not measure the offsets every time, right? You don't measure offsets every time from the baseline, right? Yeah, accuracy, yes, accuracy is depending upon the baseline accuracy only. Yes, absolutely, right? But nearby offsets to these objects, right? This is a pond, you can say. For this pond, if you wanted to measure, what we need to do, we will be going for this offset, right? Yes, now also possible, Naveen, that is what I am telling, right? From baseline also it is possible. From baseline also it is possible. From baseline also it is possible, but from baseline only it is see, from baseline also it is possible, but offsets are, baseline is only for that purpose. Tell me, baseline is only for that purpose, for taking the offsets only. Is it so, Naveen? Is baseline only for taking the offsets? Is it so, everyone? No, na? Baseline, from baseline you can take the offsets and you can take others also. Now tell me, in a chain survey work, the line is joining the stations for taking offsets from this particular line. Yes, na? You have to be careful, right? But tie line is only for offsets, na? Tie line is only for offsets, if you just observe, right? Main purpose of this tie line is only for offsets, right? Nothing else. Check line is for checking the accuracy of the surveying, right? Check line is for checking the accuracy of the surveying. That's it, right? So now tell me, which one in chain surveying work, the line is joining the station for taking offsets from it. For taking offsets from it, which line is purely used? Tie line is used purely for which one? Tie line is used purely for which one? Purely for measuring these offsets only. Yes, na? But baseline, offsets you can measure and we can check the accuracy, and for many purposes are there. But a tie line, there is no other purpose than offset measurement. Is that clear, everyone, now? Is that clear, everyone, now? Yes, na? Right. Yeah, Vivek, I will be sharing that. You just follow me on Unacademy profile. Follow my Unacademy profile. There you can just check the community. In that community I will be sharing it, okay? Don't worry. So what is that? First chapter PDF I will be sharing, right? Because only first chapter is over now. First chapter PDF I will be sharing it. Second chapter PDF I will be getting. Second chapter PDF I will be sharing after the second chapter is over, okay? First chapter PDF, what is it? You can say, yeah, this is the PDF, right? Fundamentals, capital letters is the, yeah, we know. At the top, just below the video, Unacademy Accord, pinned by Unacademy Accord, GATE ESE MECE, that blue color one is there, na? Just, yeah, just click on that. You will follow my profile in Unacademy and check in my community and you can get that, okay? In community I will be sharing that. This is a password, right? Fundamentals in capital letters is a password for the PDF, okay? First chapter PDF I will be sharing it, okay? Yeah, yes, baseline will be dividing the entire area into two parts. Yes, but it is not, it is dividing purpose, it is for checking the accuracy, and it is for drawing the other lines. So many purposes are there for the baseline, but tie line only for measuring the offsets, right? That is why tie line is most appropriate. Okay, is that clear, everyone? Right, I'll be sharing the PDF in that community today itself, right now itself. Thank you all of you. Have a good day. We'll be continuing in tomorrow's class with which one? Next questions. Okay, thank you.